Hi everyone, meet the DECOKTOOL Electric Pressure Washer, a powerful cleaning solution with 5,000 psi and a 1500 W motor for tackling tough stains and large surfaces. This washer features a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure hose, giving you excellent mobility during cleaning. It includes 4 quick-connect nozzles and a 450 ml foam cannon, perfect for various cleaning tasks. The total stop system automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, saving energy and extending motor life. Designed for comfort, it has sponge handles and wheels to reduce fatigue while moving around. The quick coupler design makes nozzle changes and setup effortless. Whether you're cleaning your car, patio, fence, or windows, this pressure washer offers convenience and power in one package. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.